Okay, I already have Skype installed in my PC or laptop and already launched it over here. Okay, of course, if you want to make a test call of in Skype, you can definitely trouble your friend, make a call and see how it goes. Alternatively, if you do not want to trouble anyone, there is actually under the call there is a echo sound test service, right, to test this out. Okay, so I'm just gonna launch this.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Okay, so this is to test the sound for echo. Okay, so this is to test the sound for echo.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message, but not your own voice, then something is wrong with your audio recording settings. Please check your microphone and microphone settings or visit skype.com for more help. Thank you for using the Skype call testing service. Goodbye.
Okay, so this actually will help you to identify whether have your audio or your microphone has been set up correctly or not.